Matthew 21:21. Then Jesus told them, I tell you the truth, if you have faith and don't doubt, you can do things like this and much more. You can even say to this mountain, may you be lifted up and thrown into the sea, and it will happen. Hey double majors, welcome back to my channel. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brelynn. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell that way you don't miss a notification from me, and follow me on my social media at BrelynnBarbie. So today's gonna be a hair vlog, hashtag BrelynnBarbie hair. And this one is gonna be very, very interesting, okay? So as you guys saw in like my last kind of hair vlog, I got my hair straightened for the first time in a long time, and it rained and now it's just a puffy mess. So I've just been wearing it in a ponytail for the past couple of days. I'm about to go to LA soon, so I wanted to get my hair done again. But y'all, let me tell you, I was really struggling, okay? You guys know that ever since like freshman year, I've had a variety of different companies send me different hair, and I usually have an influx of them, but I kind of like tried to slow down on getting companies to send me hair because they would be mad at me because they would send me hair and I wouldn't upload a video for like months because I will make it into a wig and I will continue to wear them in between styles and stuff like that. So anyway, I slowed down and I was finally ready to get some new hair. Nobody was anywhere to be found, and I was like, oh my gosh, am I actually gonna have to buy hair? I know y'all are probably like, can't relate, but I literally have not had to buy hair since like I bought braiding hair but not sewing hair since my freshman year of college. So I decided to go through my hair bin and I was like, I need to clean this out because I have old wigs that I don't even wear anymore, and I could get an old wig installed, but I wanted a different look, and I specifically wanted a closure for this look, and I don't have any closure wigs. All my wigs are like frontals or full lace wigs, whatever the case may be. Basically today we're going to try and create the perfect look out of super old hair. Now this hair that I have here, the reason why I didn't get it installed, I remember specifically that it's from Van Love Hair. I don't know why, like the name just, it stuck with me, but it's from Van Love Hair, and I tried to get it installed and literally the hair would not lift, like it just would not get light. So now it's kind of stuck at this random like brown color. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try and lift it to a decent color, and then I have a hair appointment tomorrow. I'm gonna get it sewn in as a closure. Now this hair did come with a frontal, but like I said, I want a closure. So these are what the bundles look like. I've already brushed them out, really beat up, and this is the closure right here. I don't know what company this closure is from, but this one looks like it's good quality. So hopefully I can get it to lift and look decent. Also, I'll be going from straight to curly because I do have to wash and blow dry my hair before my appointment tomorrow. Yeah, I think this is not the usual stylist that I have been going to the past couple of times for my sew-ins, just because she didn't have any appointments available. So I'm actually going to the same person who I went to right before I went to LA last year, because she's just always open. She's super expensive, but she's open, so that's who I'm going to. So yeah, I'm going to try and dye the hair, and then later on I'm going to be going straight to curly, seeing how my hair is different now that my ends are trimmed, and also since I've straightened it, hopefully there's no heat damage, but I'm pretty sure I should be okay. And then of course I'll show you guys me actually installing the hair. You can see the finished product. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Once again, if you're new, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment. You guys know I read all my comments. For now, I'm just gonna play around with the bleach, and not really a tutorial, so you guys can just like watch and see what I'm doing and see how it turns out.
Let's look at the show. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Good morning. So it is the next day. I finished rinsing out the hair and drying it this morning. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it feels like very stringy. Like there's only one set of hair. It was a blonde wig that I had that felt like that, and it felt like that after I straightened it so many times, and I was like it wouldn't straighten after a while. It was dead. Even though I loved the color, the hair was dead. I do feel like it is possible to dye your hair blonde. By the way, my hair looks a mess because I'm about to get in the shower and wash it, but yeah, I feel like it is very possible for you to dye your hair blonde and for it to come out and look healthy, still feel good. But I don't know. Again, this is not a hair review, and I'm clearly not recommending this brand. Like, it barely lifted last time, and I think it's because it may be human hair, but it's not like virgin hair, so it feels so stringy. I hope that A, it looks good when it's installed, B, she's able to curl it. I'm really testing this right now, but this is the only hair that I have, so I am hoping that it turns out okay and that yeah, it ends up looking good. I don't really know. The good news is though, as you guys saw from the clips, it did end up looking light enough. It's not as light as the last install that I got. Blonde hair side part that you guys really love, but it's a little bit darker, which is kind of what I'm going for. So I don't know, we'll see. For now, I'm about to head in the shower. We're gonna do a quick little before and after. This is my hair. I think it's been like 2.5 weeks, and yeah, it's definitely dead. You guys can see my ends are super puffy and stuff. I know I was watching Kelsey and Kendra's video on YouTube, and they were just talking about some cheap deep conditioners that you can just purchase from obviously the drugstore. So I picked up this, which is everybody has seen this before, but it's my first time trying it. It's the Aussie 3-Minute Miracles Moist Deep Conditioner. They also had one for curls, but I said, okay, this is the one that they said, so I'm gonna get this one, and if I like it, then I'll either continue to use this one or I will get the curls one, and we'll see. Comment down below if you use or if you have used this deep conditioner. So yes, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm going to use this as the 3-minute deep conditioner probably while I'm shaving my legs, then I'll come back to show you guys my hair back in its curly state. Straight to curly in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Y'all, a small little bush done got even shorter. I feel like y'all have so many different textures in my hair. Up here, the curls are super tight, and down here, these curls are really loose. I don't know, I can mainly see it in the mirror in the shower, but they kind of look more uniform now. But even the shape of it is ow! So short. So much shrinkage. Anyway, I have to hurry up now. I'm kind of in a rush. I'm kind of upset. I woke up at 7 a.m. and I finished the hair, and then she pushed back my appointment. So I took a morning nap because I was up so early, and now I'm gonna be running late. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair and then head out to the appointment.
storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm.
Okay, y'all, I just got home. This is what the install looks like. I have not had a closure sew-in in so long, but let me just say she was worth the extra price, because I'll leave her information in the description box down below. You guys can probably tell by the clips, but we were talking about a whole bunch of different things. She's really sweet. Anyway, so I have not gotten a closure sew-in, let alone a sew-in, in a very long time, and she makes every single step worth it. Like, she made very small, neat braids, and then she put a net over top of my head. I have not had a net on my head in a while. Then she did the ball cap method, and then she made sure that it blended, and then she sewed that down, and then she sewed down the tracks, and then, well, first the closure and then the tracks, and then she blow dried it out row by row, and then she curled it. So I was actually there for like 6 hours, I feel like. Let me see. I was supposed to be there by 1:30. I got there like 2. I left at like 5:30. But it didn't feel that long because, again, the conversations were really good. And this is what the hair looks like. Not too shabby, right? Like, really not too bad. We definitely got lucky. So I told her to put me like a little bit of baby hairs here. I feel like I'm used to my part being a little bit whiter, but I'm gonna leave it like this for now, just in case it does like end up spreading, because sometimes that's what AliExpress hair does, especially when it's cheap, and we know that this hair is cheap. Okay, but other than that, y'all, she said that it felt like it was like 5 bundles, and it is like so much hair. I just hope that it keeps a curl. I did end up putting some oil on it once I got home, because I felt like it just looks really like puffy. If you like big hair, like, obviously the more bundles the better, but like my head feels like, where is my head underneath here? Like, I hope my scalp doesn't itch anytime soon, because I won't be able to get to it. And of course, she had to cut off a lot from the bottom. I believe, again, don't ask me the lengths because I don't really know the lengths, but I think that the longest length may have been a 24, if not a 22. And of course, like I said, she had to cut the bottoms of it because the hair was so like dead, and it was a lot of shedding. But here we are. It feels fine in my hair now, and it looks fine. This should at least last me throughout the new year. So 2 thumbs up. Well, 1 thumbs up because I can't put up 2. 2 thumbs up. We survived. We made it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to get my hair done. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now by putting my post notification on the screen right now. If you want a post notification shout out, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, then comment down below post notification gang with your @ name or a nice comment, and I may shout you out in the next video. Also, make sure you follow me on my social media at BrelynnBarbie, and I think that's it. So make sure you live each day to the fullest, because you only live once, and I'll see you guys tomorrow because it's Vlogmas. Bye.